What I want you to do, I want you to see the signs, look the content, what the timings are telling you,
Gotcha.
and tell me what they're telling you though, yeah?
Got it.
Okay.
Yep, Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. till 8, 7:30 till 9 a.m.
What does that mean?
You can go Monday to Friday.
Yes.
7 a.m. till
So you should have been acting early.
Yeah.
Can you see how late you reacted? What if somebody else start undertake you?
Yeah.
So that is what I'm trying to explain to you, that you need to looking for these signs
Yeah.
and start implementing those things what they're telling you.
Anticipate for it to go, but don't slow down. Just be prepared to slow down.
Good.
30, end of bus lane.
When you says end of bus lane,
Yeah.
you saw it nicely. When the bus lane was ending, there were road marking painted on the floor. Do you saw anything? When I'm talking about when the bus lane was ending.
No, I didn't see.
The reason why I'm telling you this, and a lot of people who are gonna watch this video, they make these mistakes as well. Now what happened? The bus lane was ending.
Yeah.
You spotted nicely, but at the same time, we call it road merging. So the lane on your right one also merging into the bus. There were a clear big arrow, massive arrow painted on the floor, telling you the road from the right is what's happening, merging. Now what safety check do you miss that time? You didn't do it, did you? So how would you know if there's somebody, maybe bike cyclists, motorcyclists, if they are overtaking your cars, lorries, whatever? How would you know? Now you did glance maybe slightly before that bus lane. I'll give you that benefit of doubt, no doubt about it. But do you think you should have looked at it again?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what could be the consequences for that if this is your exam?
Major.
Probably, yeah. If there would have anybody behind, look, exam have to think about what the risk factor was involved. If nobody around, they might say, okay, I will give one more chance. If there would have been anybody behind you who trying to come in and you not do it, it will instantly major fall down. So I'm trying to explain to you that you saw one thing, but you missed the other thing. Like same thing again when roundabout, when you were turning, you saw the black Tesla, you saw the Qashqai coming, you saw the buses, but you missed the 20 sign there. Look for the bigger picture. Like here, how many signs in this road?
1:30.
Yeah.
Another one there at school, I can see.
Yeah. So the first sign 30. What is it? What is it? Order or warning?
It's order.
And what about the next one?
Warning.
Yeah. As you go. See what I mean? Good. Drive off whenever you're ready, please, for me.